guys, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. So in today's video on my quest to be a Snapchat filter, we will be trying the Hydrafacial device. In Korea, it is called an aquafacial device, but you know, we here in the US, everything's different. So it's called a Hydrafacial device, and here's the device. Y'all, I'm already about to break the device. It's supposed to get rid of all the gunk, the excess sebum from your skin. The device does come with 3 tips, a large tip, medium tip, and a small tip. I'm about to do a close-up on my face so y'all can see the before. So here's my face close-up. Look at the pores, look at the acne, look at the whiteheads, look at my nose, look at my forehead, look at my skin looking real greasy. Look at just taking all the blemishes on my face. My face is not clear, as you can see. So it comes with an exfoliating solution. They say fill it up to 10 milliliters, but I'm gonna go ahead and do 15 because why not? It's me. Oh my God, some of it is dripping, y'all. It's already dripping. Let's just smell the exfoliation. It smells like mint. Oh, it smells really good. It's giving me like mint with a hint of tea tree oil. Oh, this smells so good. You guys know I love mint. If you're a fan of mint, you will really love this solution. On a green button like this. Okay, that's the green one. And then you're supposed to just go gently. And it says move every 3 seconds. I'm gonna have to do a close-up so y'all can see. But this just feels so nice. Like you could literally like hear debris. Ooh, ooh. It's like a garbage disposal and it's like exfoliating at the same time. This is so gentle. I am in love, you guys. Let me do a close-up so you can. Oh, it's beeping. Y'all heard the beep. Apparently the device, if you're not moving it, it starts beeping. That is amazing. Come through, device. Let me get this side quickly because I don't want it to start beeping on me, you know, honey. It will start just beeping. Oh my gosh, this is so nice and so gentle. Oh, it feels so good. Can y'all hear that? It's like ASMR. It's like it's vacuuming your skin and you can literally hear the debris. Listen, it's about to go off because it's not touching anything. Let me turn the light down so you guys can see. It's literally about to go off. I think. Let's just see if it go off. If it just start the sound. Now see, it was doing the sound the whole entire time. Why is it not doing the sound now? Where is the alarm? It was doing the sound to let me know I was doing something wrong. All of a sudden, it didn't want to do it. You know what? Okay, so now we're going to put it on blue. And then you got to go to your forehead. So the blue one is for the forehead. And you can use the medium tip for your forehead as well. You don't necessarily have to use the large tip. I think the large tip doesn't give as much suction. It's a little bit gentler because you know your forehead's very thin. Why aren't you beeping? I'm not in my forehead with the blue one. Today the device must want to be good for the camera because I swear I've been using this for 2 weeks now. So I took the medium sized tip off and now I am applying the small tip. So I'm gonna get my nose and my chin. Oh, y'all know my chin is the worst area of the body. So we are about to see what it's working with. Green, y'all can see, blue, and red. Okay, so here we go with the nose. Oh, wow. Can you guys hear it? I'm gonna get under here. Y'all see that pimple? I'm getting that pimple real good. Let me get my chin. Oh, wow. You know, I was literally expecting like it to hurt, but it doesn't hurt. And I could literally gently get across my whole entire face with no pain, no redness, no anything. Let me give a chin. Let me get this pimple. This is so gentle. This is the most gentlest thing I've felt in a while. I am in love with this. You guys, I feel like I'm at the spa, except cheaper. Let me get this side of my nose. I done went down to everything and didn't even get this side of my nose. Oh, this feels so good. It is so weird because the other day, I kid you not, it was beeping. You guys heard the beep. It was like an alarm setting off, like the police, the firefighters was coming. So I thought it was gonna do this on camera, and it did. Y'all, I'm just getting my whole face on red. You know, I love like precision things. Like I have precision tweezers that I really, really love, and I use them for everything. So this is just up my alley to use this precision. Apparently you can get under your eyes too, because there's see, y'all listen, look it, y'all hear that? But see, so either the water is empty or something. So let's see, it's the water empty, because you know I've been talking forever and we don't know. This looks absolutely disgusting. I mean, I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm gonna have to turn the light down. Like, y'all, look at this. Oh my God, let me turn. Y'all have to see this. Do y'all see that? That looks nasty. It's like stuff, like black stuff floating in. Can y'all see under it? Do y'all see that black stuff? Look at the black stuff floating under it. Can y'all see it? Oh my God, the black stuff. That is great. Can y'all see that? Can y'all see the black stuff? Do y'all see it? Look at the black stuff. It looks gross. I'm trying not to get too far up because I don't want to ruin the device. But it's like a ton of gunk in here. Oh my gosh. Can y'all see? It's like, ew. What was on my face? This is disgusting. Wow. Y'all see it? Can y'all see it? Like the floaters? Okay, you guys, so this is my face after. What do you guys think? Here is my forehead. Here is my chin. Here is under my chin. Let me get the mirror. We have a lot to discuss, so let's talk about it. So I'm looking at this, and I've been looking at it for like 20 minutes. Y'all, I'm a mess. But there is like a hair in there, like a literal hair. I mean, I am shook at how nasty and disgusting my face was. I don't even know where to begin. On this channel, we try a lot of skincare tools, blackhead vacuum devices, the microdermabrasion devices. We've tried a lot of that on this channel as well as on Instagram. And you guys always say I'm using them wrong and how they irritate my skin because I'm not moving quick enough. With this one, I was able to move quickly. It was easy to use. Like, it literally just glided on my skin without me having to just like dig into my skin. This is such a gentle exfoliating device. You can actually see the gunk. You can actually feel it exfoliating, as well as hear the like vacuum, the suction of it. I mean, it's really an amazing device. So I've been using this device for about 2 weeks now. And I will say my skin glowed after. My skin really looked nice. I was able to do my 10-step skincare routine, because you guys know I like to do a 10-step skincare routine lately because of, you know, the acne and blemishes. So because I'm doing a lot of steps in my skincare routine, I've noticed after using this device, my skincare really sets nicely. My moisturizers don't flake on me or peel on me. I can even use really cheap moisturizers, and they just really give my skin a beautiful glow. They actually also sink into my skin nicely, which I really enjoy thanks to this device. And because it's very dry here, my skin tends to like flake a lot because it's really dry here. And when I started using this device, I have no more flaking on my skin. I let Josh use the device, and literally his nose looked worse than mine. He had way worse gunk than my face, okay? So I just want to let y'all know his face was looking worse than mine when he tried tried the device and it was easier for him to use. This is actually one of the best devices I've used in a while. It's easy to learn. The directions are easy to use. I had no issues, and we have lots of issues. If I could use it, anyone could use it. And y'all be in the comment section helping me. Y'all know I am a mess. I think this is a wonderful device and a wonderful investment for those who really have gotten Hydrafacial treatments at a spa and maybe you can afford it or you're on a budget. I think this is a wonderful investment for you. It sort of mimics a treatment you would get at the spa, and it's wonderful for people who do a full self-care day. I think you will really enjoy this device. It's just a really great device, easy to use, and it lasts a long time. It's not like them cheap $20 pour vacuums, just not like this. Is this next level. With that being said, you guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments down below, have you tried the aquafacial device, the Hydrafacial device? Let me know in the comments down below. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.